In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a quiz in Moodle. We'll walk through updating the quiz settings and then editing or adding questions, so you can fine-tune availability, timing, grading, layout, and the content students see. Start on your course homepage and turn editing on. You'll typically find a Turn Editing On toggle near the top of the page. With editing enabled, locate the quiz you want to change. Open the Edit drop-down next to its name and choose Edit Settings. This takes you to the main configuration page. Here, adjust the quiz name to keep things clear for learners, and use the description to provide instructions or reminders they'll see before starting. Set open and close dates to control when the quiz becomes available and when it shuts off, which is helpful for pacing your course. If you want to limit how long each student has once they begin, add a time limit. This enforces a countdown after a student clicks Attempt Quiz. In the grading area, confirm how attempts are scored and displayed. For example, whether multiple attempts are allowed and which attempt is counted. Under Layout, choose how many questions appear per page and whether navigation is free or sequential, which can reduce backtracking if that suits your assessment style. When you're satisfied, scroll down and save your changes to apply them. If the settings page looks condensed, expand the sections like timing, grade, and layout to reveal all options. Use Save and return to course if you want to go back to the main page right away. Remember, changes don't take effect until you save, so it's a good habit to save frequently as you refine the setup. Next, open the quiz and select Edit Quiz to work with the questions. To add questions, click Add. If you already have items in your course question bank, choose from Question Bank to reuse them efficiently. To build something new, pick New Question and follow the prompts for the question type you need. If you want variety, select a random question to draw automatically from a category each time the quiz is attempted. To modify something that's already in the quiz, find the question in the list, open its Edit menu, and choose Edit Question. Update the wording, answers, scoring, or feedback as needed, and save. Remember that if a question is shared across activities, changes can affect all places where it's used. When you've finished adding or editing, review the list to confirm the order and details, then save. That's it. You've updated your quiz settings and managed the questions, all within Moodle.